Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Detailed Recipes channel. Ingredients to make easy flour halva: wheat flour, butter, sunflower oil, vanilla powder, milk and water mixed, granulated sugar, a bowl of walnuts and hazelnuts, a large pot. I turn on the fire and add the pot. I add butter and oil. Wheat flour will be 300 grams. I use some brown wheat flour. "500 grams of sugar for sherbet. "850 grams of milk and water. When the butter melts a little, I add the flour and the mixing process begins. I turn the heat to low and it is necessary to stir for 15 minutes. I added a little more wheat flour and stated that there was 300 grams in total. The consistency should look like this. After 15 minutes it will have a slightly more fluid consistency. I prepare the walnuts and hazelnuts finely in the mixer. Do not crush it too much into powder, it may be a bit coarse. We slowly roasted the wheat flour until it turned a little brown. After 15 minutes, I add walnuts and hazelnuts. You can add raisins, pistachios, pine nuts or other nuts. I add 5 grams of powdered vanilla. The syrup will be a little hot, it doesn't need to boil too much. I add the sherbet very carefully. Since there is too much heat here, the steam may burn your hand, be careful about this. After adding the sherbet, I stir it over high heat until it solidifies. Now it has hardened and started to look like halva. After it cools down a bit, I shape the halva and add it to the plates. You can also shape it with an ice cream scoop or your hand. You can shape it using 2 tablespoons. Put ice cream or cream on top. You can serve it plain if you prefer. It's a cheap and easy dessert. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.